How to change theme in Encode. If you have been using the Encode application and wondering on how to change theme on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Encode application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to change theme, tap on to settings at the top right corner, just right here, select it. Then scroll down and here you can find the themes option just right here. Now to change it, simply choose one of the colors just like this. And now you can see it is changed. And that's it. This is how you can change theme into the Encode application. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.